Welcome to Huacachina, Peru's desert oasis. Come with us on this incredible journey as we explore this charming city hidden among towering sand dunes. In this video, we'll show you how to get there, where to stay, and how much everything will cost you. This is Huacachina. Getting to Huacachina can be done in various ways. You can either take a 4-hour bus there for about $20 or do what we did, rent a car and drive there. We rented our car from Peru'S for about $40 for a one-day rental, and we're soon on our way.
We have just arrived here after driving 4 hours from Lima, and we drove 4 hours south because we had to come all the way here and check out this amazing little town surrounded by deserts. So as you can see, we are in the middle of a desert here in Peru. And the first things we had to buy were
these masks. They were 30 soles, not bad.
Yeah.
You could probably get it cheaper, but
yeah, like so the thing is we came in super late. Like tour started at 4:15 and it's 4:30 right now. A guy quoted us 400 soles, which is about $100 for 1 hour private. We're like, bro, that's absurd. So I told him no thanks, kept walking around, found a different guy who did it for 200 for 2 hours and private. So once you're here, negotiate, don't go for the first person you see. And same thing goes with everything.
So now we're walking to go pick up our car, and it's kind of a uphill walk in the sand, so that's difficult, but we're almost there and we're gonna get this started.
Let's go. And that's the town right over there. It is filled with people. I did not think it was gonna be this busy, but it's crowded. Look at this. You have all the people in dune buggies there. Whole bunch of dune buggies lined up here, and like more of a crowd that just keeps coming in. All right, so now we are waiting inside of our dune buggy. How do you guys feel? So we got a private tour and we're gonna go all around, maybe sandboard, but we're gonna watch the sunset and it's gonna be absolutely incredible. So this is our dune buggy right here. Driver's gonna be here. Look at the engine on that. And we are gonna be all over the mountains for 2 hours. I made it to one of the photo spots, and this place is huge. Didn't realize how big like this desert really is, I guess. The sandboards are out. It's been a while. You ready?
Yeah, I think we take our shoes off.
I don't know. Let's go. So we're gonna be sandboarding off this little ledge right here, but it's really steep. In a desert by ourselves in the middle of Peru. Who would have thought? Not me. All right, Cal, what are we doing? The bigger one?
Done with spot number 1, going to the next one.
Wherever that is.
So we went through a lot today, but at the end of the day, it was worth it.
Yeah, we went through a lot. Pulled over twice. Our driver didn't come. We were like figuring out, we were rushing. Finally got a place, and then we booked for 2 hours. Ended up only getting like 1 hour and a half, if that. But at the end of the day, we're here. That's all that matters.
We're out of the trip.
We're out of the trip. We are
final stop. This is where they drop you off, and it's so beautiful. You see the city surrounded by the desert, and you can take a bunch of pictures. And now we walk down and we get some dinner
Before it gets too dark.
before it gets too dark.
But look at this sunset right behind us. I mean, what?
Make sure you clean up after yourself, especially somewhere so beautiful like this.
Yeah, it's shocking. So much plastic everywhere.
Huacachina is truly sensational, showcasing nature's wonders and offering unforgettable moments. We hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully now you have one more place to add to the travel bucket list. We'll see you in the next video.